In business, companies use risk management methods to calculate the potential risks, the uncertainties involved in a project, in order to make sure of the best possible chance of success. But what if you could use risk management in your personal life? What if you could calculate the potential risks of anything you did to give yourself the best chance possible? What if we could apply a business solution to a personal problem? Let's say you work in a company. You've been working there for 5 years now and you want a promotion. How do you use risk management methods to make sure you have the best chance of getting that promotion? Well, the first rule in risk management is define your objective. Your objective? Get a promotion. Next, you have to identify the risks. Well, some potential risks of going for a promotion are rivals, colleagues who also want that promotion, the boss. Does your boss trust and value you? Qualifications. Are you qualified for the position? And experience. How long have you worked in the company and how many years have you worked in this field? That's quite a lot of risks. Let's see how we can use risk management to deal with them. The next step is to assess the risks. Well, your boss likes you. You have a master's degree and you have 5 years' experience. That means it's only your colleagues, your rivals, who present a problem. Colleague C has only 2 years' experience and a postgraduate degree. He is low risk. Colleague B has a better university degree than you, but only 3 years' experience. He is medium to high risk. Colleague A has a similar university degree to yours, but 2 more years' experience. He is high risk. Now we develop a response. Your response should be to improve your qualifications to counter the threat of colleague B and gain more experience in your job to narrow the gap between you and colleague A. But how? Well, perhaps you could go to night school or enroll in a distance learning course. This would improve your qualifications and show your boss that you're serious about the promotion. To gain more experience, volunteer to lead projects, learn new skills, go on workshops and seminars, and, furthermore, make sure your boss knows you're doing this. In this way, you can use risk management to work out the potential risks in going for that promotion and give yourself the best possible chance of success. Of course, you can't predict your boss's decision, but you can predict what might go wrong and be better able to deal with the problems when they occur.